All right, so thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the channel and welcome to Northern Uganda Daily. And today we'll talk about the accident that happened. A few days ago, we had quite a number of people life were lost during one of the fatal road crashes that happened in Bobi, of course, in Northern Uganda, where we lost quite a number of people. Around 16 people, and some are still dying in the hospital even up to now. And yesterday, actually today, we woke up with a very sad news. Let's look at the latest police report. Police says we wished to confirm that following the fatal road traffic crash that occurred yesterday evening at Chekwatit village, Chimawa Parish, Kawowo sub-county, Kapchorwa district, a total of 21 people comprising 20 pupils and one adult have so far been confirmed dead. The crash involved an Isuzu bus registration number UA 108BQ belonging to King David Junior School in Deje, Machindwe Division, Kampala. The driver has not yet been identified. Several survivors whose identities are yet to be established were rushed to Kaserem Health Center for Kapchorwa General Hospital and Mbale Regional Referral Hospital for medical treatment. Preliminary investigation indicates that the school bus had been taken on an educational tour to CP Falls in Kapchorwa district. While returning from the tour, the driver reportedly lost control of the vehicle, which veered off the road, struck a large stone along the roadside and overturned. The crash claimed the lives of one adult male and 20 pupils, while 3 adults males and several juveniles sustained injuries. The bodies of the deceased were conveyed to Kapchorwa mortuary pending identification and postmortem examination. Police investigation into the exact cause of the crash are ongoing. Further update will be provided as more information becomes available. The Uganda Police Force extends its deepest condolences to the bereaved families, but the management of King David Junior School and all those affected by this tragic incident. We also wish the injured a quick and full recovery. And that's the latest police report that they sent according to the accident that happened in Kapchorwa district. Now, the government have come out to talk about quite a number of things. They're trying to issue out, they're saying they'll be trying to regulate, all the public vehicles, all the school drivers will be vetted and cleared before they could operate. And they're also looking at trying to bring out what we call the government issue, the government badge. Do you think that will, solve the issues? Because when you look at the tires of the bus that caused a problem yesterday, because it was a mechanical foul, when you look at the tires, you ask yourself, where was traffic when they were transporting these kids? Where was traffic? So it was a very sad incident that happened yesterday. We lost over 20 pupils and one adult. Very unfortunate incident, and it's really a dark month for Ugandans. It's a bad time for Ugandans, and something needs to be done. I think it's beyond what we think. The road crashes in Uganda, the accident in Uganda is beyond what we think. But what do you think should be done to reduce the cases of accident in Uganda now?